White House release, published Friday, November 14, 2025. Fact sheet. The United States, Switzerland, and Liechtenstein reach a historic trade deal. Today, President Donald J. Trump announced a framework for a historic trade deal with Switzerland and Liechtenstein. This agreement will give U.S. exporters unprecedented access to Swiss and Liechtenstein markets and drive billions of dollars in investment into the United States, creating thousands of jobs. The agreement on reciprocal, fair, and balanced trade will remove barriers to U.S. exports and help secure national and economic security. It will expand U.S. access to Swiss markets for manufacturers, farmers, ranchers, fishermen, and other producers. Major Swiss companies have already announced billions in investments connected to this framework. Swiss and Liechtenstein companies will invest at least $200 billion in the United States, with at least $67 billion coming in 2026. These investments will create well-paying jobs across all 50 states in sectors such as pharmaceuticals, machinery, medical devices, aerospace, construction, advanced manufacturing, gold manufacturing, and energy infrastructure. Swiss and Liechtenstein enterprises have also committed to investing in American workers through registered apprenticeships and training programs in high-growth sectors. Switzerland has agreed to balance its trade with the United States. The trading partners will pay a cumulative reciprocal tariff rate of no higher than 15%, matching the treatment given to the European Union. The framework will remove a range of tariffs across agriculture and industrial sectors, including nuts, fish, seafood, fruits, chemicals, whiskey, and rum. Switzerland will also establish tariff rate quotas for American poultry, beef, and bison. The agreement addresses non-tariff barriers that have blocked U.S. goods for decades. It will make trade more seamless by addressing restrictive measures on poultry, streamlining dairy requirements, opening markets for medical devices, and simplifying customs processes. The deal includes commitments on intellectual property rights protection, labor standards, environmental protections, international standards alignment, and recognition of U.S. motor vehicle safety standards. The three countries have agreed to digital trade principles and will refrain from harmful digital services taxes. They will strengthen supply chain resilience by addressing non-market policies of third countries. Switzerland and Liechtenstein will close loopholes that allow non-agreement parties to access their procurement markets, ensuring greater benefits for U.S. products and services. The framework also expands cooperation on export controls, sanctions, and investment screening to bolster shared national and economic security. The United States, Switzerland, and Liechtenstein aim to finalize the agreement by early 2026. The U.S. goods trade deficit with Switzerland and Liechtenstein was $38.5 billion in 2024. This deal aims to eliminate that deficit by 2028. President Trump has prioritized removing unfair trade practices and expanding market access for American exporters since taking office. Today's announcement marks a significant step toward balanced and reciprocal trade with Switzerland and Liechtenstein. Thanks for listening. The full source material for this summary is in the description below.